Okay, we finally got our hands on a JL two-door. We got the rear side window here. I'm going to show you how to put the Velcro on one side of it. This is the hardest side to get in because you have your all your wires for your tail lights, the whole mechanism there. So getting it in there is a little more challenging. The other side's easy. The Velcro is exactly the same. Take a little strip of it, grab it with your fingers, peel back a little, and all you got to do is put it right in the center. Center from side to side, top to bottom. Never peel it all the way back, because then you can stick it on itself, and once it sticks to itself, it's about impossible to get apart. Use the cellophane to push it down. Works really good. Okay, we're going to do the same with the top. It's a little more challenging to get up in there. On the top, it's going to go directly, see this little ridge right here? The bottom edge is going to go to that, and then it's going to go up. So, it doesn't have to be perfect, but it's pretty easy to get right on the edge of that. Okay, we got that down. We gotta do it. This only has Velcro on 3 sides. The front edge is so narrow we don't need to put anything up there. And this back one, can you get in here and see this? There's a little ridge right here. On this one, it's going to go just this side of the ridge. So just right there. Stick that down. I'm going to show you how to put the more challenging side, the back rear side window in. The other side's already in. It goes in exactly the same way, but a little easier because this little box isn't here that impedes this going in. So what you got to do is just slide it around here. Now you need to get it to come out here and go just a little bit forward, which is a little tricky, but all you got to do is get it a little bit. You get these wires here and you can kind of flex it around. These are kind of flexible. You don't want to flex them too hard though. Take them up over the little bolts. And once you get it over the little bolts, it just pushes right in, just like that. Perfect. I don't know if you can get a good shot of that. There you go.